Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of GoDaddy. So let me take you to the website. The website is GoDaddy.com. For the ones who don't know what is GoDaddy, so GoDaddy provide a platform to you from where you can buy websites, domain, web hosting, and tools related to web management basically. So they are one of the very top web hosting kind of platform out there. Let's look at some numbers to give you more idea. So currently they are ranking at 884. That's global ranking, like totally over the world. And in the category of web hosting, they're ranking at 3. So they're very well known. If you are really interested in someone, promoting someone who is in web hosting business, then I think GoDaddy would be a really good choice for you. So without further ado, let's look into the affiliate program of GoDaddy. For that, you can scroll down to the very footer section of the website, and you can click on affiliates in here, and then you can read through the information that's available. On this page, they are talking about, like, okay, what is affiliate program, and what it is in there for you if you want to join the affiliate program of GoDaddy. But they are not talking about like commission rate and all that, what is allowed, what is not allowed. And don't worry about it, we'll talk about that too. But as I have mentioned here, we can decide to promote any product of GoDaddy. We can promote domains, website, SSL certificate, web hosting, professional email, Microsoft 365, whatever we like. And at the end, we'll get commission from them. So that's so amazing. Now, how to join the affiliate program of GoDaddy? That's the question. That's where CJ come into picture. So this is the website of CJ. CJ.com is the website. For the one who don't know what is CJ, CJ is a top affiliate marketing network out there. And the purpose of the affiliate marketing network, they work as a mediator between brand and affiliate. So you are an affiliate in our case, and GoDaddy being an brand or advertiser. So if you want to join these brands, then you have to first join the affiliate network in question. So here, the affiliate network, if you are really interested in joining the affiliate program of CJ, the affiliate program of GoDaddy, then you must join the CJ affiliate network first. The question is, how do you join, and is it free? Yes, definitely, it's free. And to join the affiliate network of CJ, you can simply click on sign up and go through with the registration process. But I also understand generally the registration of affiliate networks are quite tough. So don't you worry. I recently have created a video on how to create an affiliate account with CJ. You can follow the instructions from the video. I'm sure that will be helpful to you. And the link of the video you can find in the video description. Okay, so let's say you follow the instructions and you created an account with CJ. In that case, you can click on login, and this should take you to the login page where you can enter the credentials that you should have by now. You can, after entering the credential, you can simply click on login. This should take you to something called dashboard. Now, dashboard is a place where you can interact with many advertisers out there. So when I say advertisers, don't get confused. In CJ, they call brands as advertisers and affiliates as publisher. So this dashboard allow you as affiliates to explore many brands, many advertisers which are available in CJ, and join their affiliate program. But in our case, we will talk about GoDaddy. So how to join the GoDaddy affiliate program. For that, you can simply click on advertiser from the dashboard that you see here and wait for it to load. Now you will observe with CJ, the dashboard is very rich. So there's a lot that goes on behind the scene. So that's why sometimes it takes a lot of time to load, like a few seconds more. So you can keep your patience while this gets loaded on your end as well. And it's about to get loaded. And once it's loaded, in here, you will see the advertiser search function. Okay, so in here, as you can see, advertisers. So you can start typing GoDaddy in here. See, so you have to select the advertiser name or the brand name, you may call it, GoDaddy.com, but this is the ID. So once you have selected it, you have to click on search button, and you will see the information of GoDaddy affiliate program. And this is just the general instructions that's available. But when you click on program terms, this is where you actually get to see how much they're offering. So they're currently offering 10% commission on all this stuff. You can read through it to understand better. And then you also read through all these instructions, the policies of what is allowed and what is not allowed. This is very important because let's say you apply to the affiliate program of GoDaddy, you get the approval, but if you don't follow any of these instructions, it may not be good because the brands like GoDaddy, they kind of monitor the affiliates to ensure what they say, only do that and avoid doing something that you shouldn't be doing. Okay, so you have read the terms and everything, and you're interested to join the affiliate program. For that, you can simply click on apply to program, and this will open and screen like it. As you can see, this is an advertising standard terms and conditions for GoDaddy and affiliates. So we can read through it and scroll down till the very bottom of it. And thereafter, we can click on accept and apply. So when we do that, this is the message we'll get. So this advertiser approves publisher manually. Your application status will be set to pending application and the advertiser will contact you if approved. So that means my application to GoDaddy has been gone. Now what GoDaddy team would do, they will go to my website, whatever website I have given while registering with CJ. They will see if I'm good fit for them. And if they like my website and all that, that's when I'll get the approval. So when I'll get the approval, I would be able to find them GoDaddy within my dashboard. I can get the tracking links and start promoting them. Let's say you apply to them like how I showed you, you get the approval, you started promoting them, and then the commission will get generated, isn't it? So how will you get the payment? So all the commission that will be getting generated, you will see within the CJ dashboard. And you will generally see in here on the balance side. So whatever commission gets generated, you will get the commission via CJ. So to get the commission via CJ, you have to set up payment method as well. So you can, to set up the payment method, you can go to account, you can click on account, go to administrative settings and update the payment method over there. Currently, CJ is allowing Payoneer as a payment option or direct deposit. So either you can create an account with Payoneer or you can update your banking information and get the payment via direct deposit. Whatever you like, you can just set up that. And then when your commission gets accumulated in your CJ account, you get commission from them. And the other condition is it should exceed $50. So that means whatever commission being generated in your account, the CJ account should accumulate 50. That's when they will issue the payment to you. So all the very best in applying to the affiliate program of GoDaddy and getting approval from them. And in case if you have question related to affiliate program or affiliate program of any brand, if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to create video on it. And in the meantime, don't forget to like the video, click on the bell icon and subscribe to this channel so that any video that I create, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.